Hi everyone, Caroline here. So, who else has been feeling like they've been losing their memory? Like their memory has been wiped and that they can't remember anything? Even the things that seem important that they've been thinking about, like a few minutes ago, seconds ago, weeks ago, maybe at the latest, you can't remember those things. Who else has been feeling as though their memory has just had a total wipeout? This memory thing is so funny to me because sometimes you tend to joke about this thing because you talk about it in terms of, oh, you're aging, so maybe you're losing your memory. And this is no offense to those who are old or who are losing their memory. I'm just using this as a conversation point because, I'm also old, okay? Anyway, so people tend to joke about this memory loss, but it's real in terms of the evolution that you are in right now. And I've come to realize that we are losing our memory. Our memory banks are being wiped out because we are letting go of baggage. Every time you're letting go of baggage and releasing baggage, what's happening is that the roles you used to play, the experiences you had, the people, places, things that you are involved with, and who are part of your playground or of your life adventures, the people involved in this whole picture that you are letting go of are going to go. And that means any memory that has anything to do with them is also going to go. So you might kind of have a recollection of them or think about them or think about things related to that thing. But if you are truly, truly, genuinely letting go of people, that memory you have of them will also go as part of that package, especially that part that has an emotional charge. How sometimes you have an experience with someone, whether it's good or bad, and you feel some type of way, you feel that, ugh, inside you, or you feel all butterflies and good memories and whatnot, and it really doesn't matter if it's a thing of the past and it has something to do with something that you have let go of, whether it's your role, whether it's a job that you used to do. Roles come in different ways. Many of us maybe had careers before, and then as we transitioned into the spiritual aspect of things, we let go of those old jobs and all those careers. You were in some kind of relationship with someone which has sort of ended, and therefore your role as that person has ended, or you had a friendship with someone or part of a group or something, and that relationship ended. And as you start letting go of those old things that you used to do in terms of the spiritual aspect, if those roles have ended and you have totally cleared that thing, you might have a thought of that thing, but you are not that thing anymore. And anytime you let go of that old thing, the memories go along with it. So that's why some of us are right now experiencing these memory wipeouts. They're not really a bad thing per se, but they are indicators to you that it's time for you to move on to the next thing because that part of your life is gone. And I've also noticed that sometimes information is coming to us real quick, real fast. And if we don't act on that information, at the moment that it comes to us, or if you don't document it in some way, or if you don't share it in some way, before you know it, the next time the light codes are coming in, or the next time that you are clearing your energies and whatnot, if that information, however recent it seems, is not compatible with the person that you are in this now moment, then that information might just be something that will be out of your mind and you will totally forget it and you'll be like, oh my gosh, did I not just receive information? What was I thinking about the other minute? How come I can't remember a single thing about that particular thing? And maybe in the moment that you receive that information, it seems so important and so crucial. And because maybe you were thinking that you'd have time to maybe process this information or maybe put it together in a way that you can maybe present it to someone or share it with someone, and you kind of lapsed on that, the new energy has come in and totally overwritten it because now you're a new person and ready for the next new thing, and that memory is gone and wiped out. And that's why it's very good, even at this moment, if you find that there's information that is very important to you and that you might want to share with someone at some point, or maybe just process and just try to understand. Whenever you get that inspired information, just write it down because things are moving so fast. Light energy is moving so fast. You are changing so fast. So maybe the information might not be important to you, but it might be useful to help someone else down the line. And you also don't want to forget this information because you know how juicy some of these things are. You know what I mean? In the moment, those things can be so juicy. And if you don't really act on them when you need to act on them, then, it's gone. I've experienced this a lot myself. Sometimes I've also wanted to make videos about things that I considered important in the moment with good information that I thought would be helpful for others. But because I slept on that information and didn't do anything with it at the moment, it completely disappeared from my thought process. And even sometimes I would write down this information, and then later, when I was looking at that information, I'd wonder why it was so difficult for me to share that information. Because I was like, okay, when I got this information, it was making sense. But now, to even articulate it, to even speak about it, would become so complicated because the essence of that information was lost to me. You know what I mean? So it's kind of crazy. So are you guys experiencing these kinds of things where your memory is just like getting wiped out? You're not as angry as you were about certain things, and you're not feeling as emotionally attached to certain things the way you used to feel because somehow that thing was important in the past, but it no longer feels the same because, you have been letting go of stuff and that charge is gone. Or in what way are you experiencing these memory losses, if at all? And what do you think it's all about? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me how you're noticing memory losses and what you really think it's all about. And until next time, guys, keep your memory sharp, stay in the moment, and just let things go. There's new information flowing in all the time. Be on top of it. I love you guys. Bye.